How you doing, party people? I hope you guys are good. Join us this week as the fair comes to Ho Chi Minh City. I go and explore a museum and Pat checks out an art gallery and we get up to some mischief. Hey, party people. Good morning, darlings.
We've been for a couple of weeks now in Ho Chi Minh City.
It's getting like home.
Laying low, taking it easy and enjoying city life.
Enjoying the weather as well. It's nice and hot always.
Been nice, yeah.
So we are going out today. We're going to go a little bit shopping, take you to the market, and then Pat's got to go and get a hard drive for the computer.
Yeah, we've got a few errands to run before we go to Phu Quoc on Saturday.
Absolutely, can't wait to the beach. Can't wait, Pat. City life. See you later.
Yeah.
Hey, what you doing? We're down here in our new little favourite coffee spot called Polka Brew. And it's right by, well, up the way from Walking Street. And they do the most beautiful lattes, coffees. Pat's got a matcha. The people who work here is super cute. Really nice family business. And then behind, during the day, it's a coffee shop. In the evening, it's like a nightclub behind us. Their coffee is incredible, I must say. So here we are, coming down to the last couple of days now. We both feel a little bit sad. We both had the most amazing veggie spicy bami sandwich. And now we're going to venture into the marketplace, see if there's any little bargains to be had. Why not? Hey party people, how you doodling?
Yes, shopping we're going.
Absolutely, we love it. Thank you so much for you guys for watching as well, because we noticed recently a lot of you guys have been leaving nice little comments. So make sure you do, because it's really great to meet you guys and have a little chat.
You are 45 years old.
Yes.
And you born in the year like
1980. Very good. Some Nikes. You come and see this lady, she'll sort you out. Look how nice they are.
Hello.
Come on guys, come by.
Philip is worse than a girl, aren't you?
No. But these are really nice though. Good for swimming and running. Super happy. People, we literally shopped till we dropped. Well, I did anyway. I love a bargain. Patty was my wingman or wingwoman. We done pretty well. Got a load of sweeties that we loved.
I absolutely love this game. Cat and mouse. This price war, I cannot stand it.
No, but it makes it a good way. And that we always pretty much do alright or we win. That's what it's all about. Or so we think actually. They're probably just laughing
at us.
But they are a good laugh. It is a really, really good bit of banter and a really nice way to spend a couple of hours. If it's raining outside, you can go inside and chill.
It isn't.
And lots of nice food in there as well.
It is very hot indeed.
Hey party people, how you doing? So we're off down the flower market today, and the best way to get there is to use an app called Grab. So I'm just going to type in flower market.
One thing I would not want to try and do here is driving. Drivers, they got to be so careful. There's so many motorbikes everywhere, but they know how to.
The flower market is open 24/7. While whole traders come between midnight and early morning to get the freshest and cheapest deals, local shoppers go in the afternoon. In the evening it merges with the food stalls, attracting tourists as well.
What are you thinking so far of the food?
I love it. Oh, loads of seafoods. That's what I've noticed. Not too much veggie stuff apart, but loads of seafood, squid, octopus, which looks really nice actually. It looks very fresh. But I'm going to try and find something for Pat.
It's virtually impossible to find vegetarian food here. They are meat heavy. Let's see. You just try something that's like meaty or chicken without waiting for me, because I don't think I can eat here.
Yeah, we want to get Pat some food though. Pat's had a hard day. I'm trying to find some veggie foods.
Tough life.
They're not friends of the veggies here, unfortunately.
No, they're not.
After all these stalls
It's okay,
though.
Phil. You find something for yourself.
Oh, okay. All right then. I'll find something. Let's go.
And I'll eat something later at a restaurant. So we've been here 2 years ago, and the market is exactly the same, but we can't find anything this time. I think we've changed.
Or the place you went to, it weren't there, so I swear there's something with a bit of vegan, fresh, like restaurant.
Well, no, there was like one papaya salad, but it isn't anymore like this. So, yeah, but other than that, I think we've changed more than anything. Everything here is exactly the same as it was. But we're gonna walk to a restaurant now because we can't find anything to eat.
Quite nice, the smell in the air is just all nice flowers. Well, mix that with a little bit of pollution, but majority is flowers, good smell in the air, like a summer's day, and also got loads of like Christmassy kind of things as well. Smell just like Christmas. I definitely smell flowers, like summer's day, meadows.
95% fumes from all the bikes around us.
People, so we came to a couple of years ago, a place called Joi Factory, Joi. Okay, make sure if you're going to search for it, really cool vegan place, does like coffees, brunch, sandwiches, pho, lots of noodle dishes, and it's so nice to be back. Really cool vibe. They have live music here, live jazz as well, and loads of tea and coffee. So can't wait to have the meal here tonight. I'm super happy, which makes me happy because she found it really difficult down the market to find some vegan food. Thought I'd do a little video joining me in the toilet. Why not? Oh, that's very nice and clean, very lovely jubbly. Can't wait, mate. That's a nice food tap.
So the market was interesting, but in terms of quality of food, we just come to a vegetarian restaurant, which is absolute heaven, and I cannot wait. Oh, there comes the food. I'll show you.
Well, thank you. That is so nice. Super happy with that. Look how pretty. Incredible. So tasty.
Happy Philly boy.
Really good. This is really, really lovely food. Very fresh. Yeah, it's just nice to be back. And cool jazz.
Often after dinner we gravitate towards Walking Street, not because we particularly like the music, but it's interesting to watch people from all walks of life, locals and tourists, and there's a form of organized chaos that's bewildering.
Good morning. So once again, Phil and I have parted ways. Because as ever, we have very different tastes. I came to Fine Art Museum, Phil went to the War Museum, which I'm not really into. But yeah, let's see what these beautiful places have to show us.
The art is kept in a beautiful mansion, which used to be the private residence of a wealthy businessman. The art pieces range from traditional to modern, displaying Vietnamese artwork through paintings and sculptures. It even has a stunning antique wooden lift, which was the first built in Saigon.
So that was a little bit special. I really enjoyed that. I paid 30k entrance fee, which is about £1. English pound, for 4 floors full of art, and it was beautiful. And even though I didn't want to see war, there is a whole floor dedicated to war sketches. It was stunning piece of art, so it was really nice to see. Let's see what Phil got up to.
Hey party people, how you doing? So I'm off today to the War Museum here in Ho Chi Minh. Pat's gone off to our art gallery, which looks really cool, and so I'm off to the War Museum, she's going to go off there, and then together we're going to meet up later, so let's go. This is one of the most visited museums of Vietnam. Straight away you see used helicopters and tanks, but for me the most interesting was the exhibition about the war journalists, many who lost their lives. Pictures and diaries tell the real true story of war. Really love this museum, so much history, and there's so many artifacts here as well. So obviously the big planes and tanks outside, as well as all the armory, as well as all these different people's stories as well. So yeah, really nice place to come and visit, but very hard as well because such a sad story. It's my second visit and it was very moving to be here again. The museum was packed with visitors of all ages, and it's not hard to see why. A place of reflection and learning, as well as the importance of peace. And each other back once again, Patty and Philly boy.
Reunited at the market, which is a common ground.
Yeah, I had quite a sad morning. I found that really kind of a sad experience going to that museum, but also very educational as well.
Yeah, we've been there 2 years ago. I've seen it once. I don't want to see that much more, but the fine art definitely must.
Can't wait to see your video, and Pat can't wait to see mine, but I'm sure you guys have seen it already. And today, this afternoon, we're going to go just through our main park where they're having a festival. So it's going to show you a little bit of that, what's going to be happening the weekend. It is. Love that. And you have just the noodles with the pork, or the noodles put together. That's noodles. Yeah. Beef, chicken, and the pork belly.
Chai? Vegetarian? Vegetarian? Chai?
Oh, tofu? No. Hello. Noodles, peanut. That's really, really nice. Well, bancha. Oh, probably cake. That's really cool. Okay, I'll come back later. Come on. Thank you, darling.
Hủ tiếu.
Noodles. So cool, bro. I was watching the guy earlier. Makes it all like out of a Play-Doh. Look at that with the little hands. So clever.
What just happened?
So I'm a bracelet on my wrist. I have bracelet is injury. That's my lucky bracelet. That's obviously a bullseye. Ready?
Go on.
Watch.
Hey.
Okay, ready? Three more. Got my little bear here for getting 5 of the little arrows through there. How cute! It's cute.
Bây giờ gửi tặng cho đại gia đình mình một bài hát mà Thái mới bắt đầu. Tiền nó không phải là.
You won, Pat. I haven't won anything in ages like going to the fair.
And who doesn't need one of those when you're traveling with a small bag?
Rock up at the airport with some purple cuddly toy. We'll see if it comes with us. Crackling. And that's pretty cool. Winning the toy, Pat. Where is he?
Hey, La Bobo.
La Bobo. Actually, I know Robert, he likes his little teddy bear that he took when we was out in Thailand. So we've got a little friend with Yabero to go travelling with us.
La Bubu.
La Bubu. La Buba. But yeah, if you go, it's really nice. I was saying to Pat, there's such a nice little family community here. Like, everyone just gets on really well. The songs are really cute. Just such a cool little cute place.
It is.
I think the longer we stay here, the more I'm like, I could easily see myself staying somewhere like
Nice
this.
lifestyle.
It's definitely nice, absolutely. And yeah, we should have a little walk around now, get something to drink, and take in all this beautiful place. Why not? Thank you so much for watching. Join us next time as we are heading back to the beach and sunshine vibes of Phu Quoc. See you then.